Let's not attach ourselves to something that will end and not remain when we live with what we have in our hands. This is also reasonable. Then make preparations for a life that will endure and be reunited in perpetuity, without any end in sight. I do not believe him, he says. Is there such a thing? You are attempting to cast a shadow over a life that you know for certain and reside in, for the future that is yet to come, and whose possibility of existence is uncertain. Your aim is clear and straightforward. They claim that there is indeed something like a fish in the water in that location. I mean, I haven't witnessed that prophet even once, but he has made positive statements, providing hope for the future, although it's not certain. Now, it doesn't seem reasonable to lose something concrete like the guarantee that is in hand and experience for something that is not guaranteed. Then we need to make sure of one thing, if we don't know whether it is true or not about the promise of the other side, that is, about the promise of Allah. If we are right to think like this, but if we don't want to know, then we have a possibility of risking an infinite reality with a limited reality despite its truth. Then we have to take action. First, we need to ensure this. Thus, life has occurred in a random manner, so let's savor it once, that's all. If we are certain about it, you may proceed. However, no, I conducted research, analysis, observation, and determined that life cannot be confined to this. Furthermore, I scrutinized the revelation that was received and reached the conclusion that the true authority on life is the one who possesses it, not the words of individuals such as yourself or me. Therefore, we must acknowledge the profound significance of existence and embrace the inherent unpredictability that accompanies it, for that is the essence of true living. He knows he speaks truth when he talks about people, he speaks truth. When he discusses matter, he speaks truth. When he mentions universe, he speaks truth. Kindly allow me to, at the very least, take a look at the details in the content I'm referring to, and after conducting a proper examination to determine its accuracy, if you claim that it is not true, it may be reasonable to consider bringing it to life, at least to some extent, regarding the promised matter concerning the future. Your perspective is important, and I value your input in assessing the veracity of the information provided. Then your mind does not retreat. However, rest assured, the devil will not allow this to happen. The devil will not allow you to do this. What are you going to read? You will learn. How much time will it take? No, however, it does sound reasonable. I need to take a look. But your non-Muslim, living in England, in America, or in Canada, gives up and embraces this religion while experiencing the beauties of life that I long for and desire deeply, and it is something I truly yearn for. What is convincing him? Let me take a look too. I never say that you should immediately accept it just by looking at such examples. No, it can only occur through experiencing the same reality and process. However, when we are convinced and form an opinion, if it convinces us, one thing is certain. If it is the message of the one who created us, it will align with us. Just like the signal of a product finding its factory, it will match as soon as it is discovered. If it is the word of the one who created me, it will correspond with the nature within me, and the internal mechanism will function properly, ensuring that everything falls into place and operates smoothly. He will collaborate with us. He will inspire us. Yes, I have a sense of comprehending that the commitment of the capability that generates is genuine and extends beyond what we anticipate. A moment when this weariness comes to an end, an unfolded page of hope and expectation carries us towards an infinite future. The pleasure of this experience originates from the world that surrounds us.